Welcome to iTech tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to construct angle 15 degree using 60 degree set square as a basis. The first step you are to take is to draw a horizontal line. I have already done this step. The next thing I will do is to draw a line inclined to the horizontal line using the 30 degree edge of my 60 degree set square. Next, I will draw an arc placing my compass at the point where the two lines intersect. Next, I will bisect the angle formed by the two lines. I will indicate the angle formed as a result of bisecting the angle. Successfully construct angle 15 degree using my 60 degree set square as a basis.